October 2025. God bless our nation. Signed, Professor Arthur Peter Mutharika, President.
Zomwe zikuchitika pano ndizoti mtsogoleri wazokambirana mnyumba ya malamulo a Japi Muhango tsopano atenga buku mmene muli zimene mtsogoleri wa dziko lino ayankhule ndi akupita nalo kutsogolo kumene kuli mtsogoleri wa dziko lino ndi kukapereka buku limenelo. Ndikuona tsopano a Japi Muhango ayika buku limenelo pa tebulo kupereka ulemu kwa mtsogoleri wa dziko lino, ndipo tsopano akubwerera kumalo kwawo. Ndetu mwa mambo wake amayenda chambuyo, ndi zimene zikuchitika ndithu. A Japi Muhango kuyenda chambuyo kufika pansi ndikuperekanso ulemu kwa mtsogoleri wa dziko lino, ndipo tsopano akuyenda kubwerera kumalo kwawo kuti mtsogoleri wa dziko lino ayankhule ku mtundu wa Malawi.
Government business address by His Excellency the President, Professor Arthur Peter Mutharika, President of the Republic of Malawi, at the state opening of the 52nd session of Parliament and the 2025-2026 mid-year budget meeting, from the Chair of State.
Your Excellency, Professor Mutharika, First Lady of the Republic of Malawi, Right Honorable Justice Turajeni Answer SC, Justice of Appeal retired, Vice President of the Republic of Malawi, Right Honorable Ntihana, Second Vice President of the Republic of Malawi, Right Honorable Samia Suleiman MP, Speaker of the National Assembly, leaders of political parties represented in this chamber, honorable members of Parliament, Dr. Justin Saidi, Chief Secretary, Your Excellency, Dr. Nancy Saugwemi, Dean of the Diplomatic Corps and heads of diplomatic missions, traditional leaders present here, distinguished invited guests, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, I forgot, head of the legislative arm of the government, ladies and gentlemen, good morning to you all. I would like to congratulate the whole House for emerging victorious in this past election. Congratulations, honorable members. Let us remember, this was not an ordinary election. Malawians voted beyond regional, tribal, and religious lines. This should teach us a lesson that our differences in tribe or region must never be used as a license to discriminate or deny anyone opportunities. Mr. Speaker, sir, as leaders, Mr. Speaker, sir, as leaders, we bear a noble responsibility to build our country with passion and dedication. As we do so, let us place national interests above personal gains. And the Holy Bible says in the Philippians, chapter 2, verse 3, and I quote, "Do nothing out of selfish ambition or vain conceit. Rather, in humility, value others above yourselves." End of quote. I'm confident that we'll rise to the occasion and build a better Malawi together. State of the economy. Mr. Speaker, sir, I'm deeply concerned with the state of our economy. All major macroeconomic indicators are misaligned. Inflation is high at 28.2%, up from 8.6% in 2020. Persistent shortages of forex have resulted in intermittent fuel supply and critical shortages so the paper is stuck together. Shortages of fertilizer and medical drugs. The forex scarcity has also driven up the prices of nearly all essential items, including food, soap, salt, and sugar, placing immense pressure on households. Budget performance. Mr. Speaker, sir, owing to the misaligned macroeconomic indicators, both revenue and expenditure for this fiscal year have been performing poorly. Government has not been able to mobilize enough revenue to implement its programs. Overall growth projection remains weak, with GDP projected to grow at 2.8% in 2025 from 1.7% in 2024, mainly attributed to low agricultural productivity, supply chain constraints, and limited industrial capacity. Mr. Speaker, sir, the national deficit has surged from 558.9 billion in 2020 to the current 2.4 trillion. Similarly, as of 2025, total public debt has reached 1.6 trillion from 21.6 trillion from 4.1 trillion in 2020, underscoring mounting fiscal pressures, long-term sustainability concerns. My administration, Mr. Speaker, sir, has already started taking steps to deal with the prevailing and desirable situation by encouraging financials on debt treatment and raising more financing through grants, among others. Food security. Mr. Speaker, sir, my vision of food security remains that no Malawian dies of hunger. However, we are in a food crisis. Over 4 million Malawians are in need of food assistance. This is why, on 25th October 2025, I declared a state of disaster 11 districts. Mr. Speaker, sir, my government has procured 200,000 metric tons of maize from Zambia for feed distribution to 4 million Malawians. In addition, my government will be allocating more maize to ADMAC outlets across the country. Fertilizers for 2025-2026 farming season. Mr. Speaker, sir, my administration will reintroduce Farm Input Subsidy Program FISP this farming season, which will be launched in the second week of November 2025. This program will benefit 1.1 million households, each accessing 2 50 kg bags of fertilizer plus a 5 kg pack of seed of their choice. The beneficiaries will be paying only 10,000 per bag of fertilizer. Thank you. But let me issue a strong warning against selling fake fertilizer. I'm aware there have been cases of fake fertilizer. The malpractice is very wrong and inhuman. I direct the Malawi Bureau of Standards and the Malawi Police Service to be vigilant and end this criminal practice. Mr. Speaker, sir, on our long-term plan, it is to facilitate the establishment of a fertilizer manufacture plant in the country to ensure availability of affordable fertilizer. A feasibility study for this has already been done. Mr. Speaker, sir, I'm also aware that we have a lot of unsold tobacco in the central and northern regions due to policy mismanagement. I'm directing the Minister of Finance, Economic Planning and Development, and the Minister of Agriculture, Irrigation and Water to engage the buyers and ensure that all this tobacco is sold immediately. Energy. Sure. Mr. Speaker, sir, we are still in a fuel crisis. Fuel queues are still with us every day, even today. Malawians voted us to end this crisis, and we will end it. Therefore, Mr. Speaker, sir, in order to ensure stability of fuel supply in the country, my administration will ensure that fuel imports consistently meet national demand. We increase allocation of foreign exchange to match import requirements. Mr. Speaker, sir, my administration will revert to the open tender fuel procurement system to ensure fast deliveries, efficiency, transparency, and value for money. While also diversifying fuel importers to promote competition and reduce dependence on only a few suppliers. electricity. Mr. Speaker, sir, power generation has been a challenge for a long time. The economy cannot grow in this country. In this situation, my government will increase power generation from multiple sources, including hydro, solar, interconnectivity, and biomass. In the long term, Mr. Speaker, my government, my administration, will fast-track construction of the 359-megawatt Patamanga Gorge project. I'm sorry about the papers are sticking to each other. I don't know why. They must love each other. Patamanga hydropower project in 2026 and scale up to 50 megawatts installation of Njenkon's Salima Nanyoka solar power plant by 2026. Mining. Mr. Speaker, sir, the mining sector stands at the center of economic transformation. You must know that Karika uranium mine has resumed production. The Kanyika Nobium, Songa rare earths, and Kangankude rare earth projects are advancing towards mine development. Meanwhile, feasibility work is in progress for the Cassia rutile and graphite projects. These key initiatives will give a significant boost to our economy. Mr. Speaker, sir, my government will create a sovereign fund to ensure that proceeds from the mineral exports benefit Malawians. Free secondary education. To improve levels in the country and to bring about development, my government has introduced free secondary education by abolishing tuition fees, examination fees, school development fees, and identity card fees. Mr. Speaker, sir, I also want to direct that no public school should require learners to make contributions towards school development fund or any other fees except boarding fees. Passport. Mr. Speaker, sir, I will not allow the chaos of passports to continue. We will reduce queues and congestion at the immigration offices. We'll do that by resuming print